Hi everyone, this is Edmund with a quick tutorial on how to set up the iThemes security plugin to protect your website from attacks. If you have any questions, you can contact me at edmund@iamlicious.com. In this example, I'll be using a different website because my website iamlicious.com has already got this iThemes security plugin embedded into the web hosting itself, so I can't install it on my website. This is basically the dashboard of another website of mine, internetmarketingpalace.com. So before you can start using the plugin, you got to go to the plugins section and then go to add new. Under the search plugins, you got to type in iThemes security and click on search plugins. The first one is the plugin that you are interested in, so just click on install now, click OK, and click on activate plugin. So once you activate it, they'll say that iThemes security is almost ready. You can just click on this button, secure your site now. Once you click on it, there will be a few important first steps that you need to do. First of all, you can either choose to make a backup of your website before you start securing your website. I encourage you to do this. In order to start making a backup, you can just click on make a backup and allow file updates. Many of the functions of this plugin require editing your wp-config.php or header access file. So this, you can either allow file updates, meaning that they'll update this file automatically for you. You can just click on allow file updates. So in this case, you can see that I've got something wrong with my website backup. No issues on that. All you got to do is just contact the support, which I'll show you how to do that later on. Then you can use the one-click secure to use the enable default settings to enable all settings that cannot conflict with other plugins or your themes. I really encourage you to use this one because you maybe have other plugins which are installed on your website that may conflict with other features. So just click on the one-click secure. If you want to improve the plugin, you can click on yes, I'd like to help as well. Otherwise, you can just click on dismiss after you're done. So don't lock yourself out. So here you can just click on temporarily whitelist my IP. So it has been whitelisted. If you scroll down, there's a video walkthrough on how to use this plugin, so you can view this video. So right now, the security status, there are a number of them. First of all, you actually mentioned that your site is not performing any scheduled database backups. To do this, you can just click on fix it. You can just enable this. So the number of days between database backups, in this case, I'll just put it as 7 days after 1 week, and click on save all changes. And if you scroll down, this one you can just leave it as tick. The notification email and backup delivery email, you'll want to select an email address that you use often so that you know what is going on, and the rest I'll just leave it as it is. You can also enable blacklist repeat offender as well. This is to prevent people from trying to log in to your website. And there are also other errors as well. To fix all these errors, you just have to click on fix it and they'll just do it for you. So here you can just click enable 404 detection, enable away mode, so you can enable ban users as well. There's really a lot of settings that you can play around with this plugin, so it is really fantastic. And if you are still not sure which are the things that you need to set up, you can just go back to the dashboard and click on fix it, and just click on fix it on all the respective section itself and just check all the boxes. Just check all these boxes and then click on change database prefix. Okay, change directory, content directory, enable change admin user, just save admin user as well. So to enable malware scanning, you gotta go to virustotal.com to get a free API. So to do this, you can just join the community, enter your first name, your last name, followed by your username, and enter your password as well. You'll want to pick one that you can remember. And just click on sign up, click on closed. Then you're required to log into your email address. Just click on the first link here and click on activate account and click on sign in. So after you have signed up and confirm your account, you can just click on your username here and click on my API key. So you can just select this API key, copy it, and then paste it here and click on save all changes, and then just enable all the features. Just enable it and just click save all changes, and then tick all the things that they want you to amend. Away mode is optional. You can just check it and just click on save all changes. Enable away mode, meaning that you'll not be able to log into your account during that period of time. And if you scroll down some more, brute force protection, I've enabled it. Database backup, you can just check this box and then click on save all changes. And then if you scroll down, you can enable hide the backend feature, click on save all changes, and there's also secure socket layers as well. Okay, if your website does not support SSL, then I encourage you not to use this at all. For strong password, you can just click on save changes. And if you scroll down some more, system tweaks, you can just check all this and then click on save all changes. WordPress tweaks, so you can just check all this. File items, so this is totally up to you. I'll just leave it as off under the XML RPC. So once you're done with everything, you can just click on save all changes. So you can see that iThemes security is really a very comprehensive security plugin. I think just have this one security plugin is more than enough to take care of all the security things about your website. So if I go back to the dashboard and I scroll down, okay, there are still some things that need to be fixed, but you'll see that most of the things have been fixed. So all these things I can't really fix them. Some of it can be fixed if you click on fix it. This is the jQuery thing. Okay, I don't know what is that. I think I'll just leave it as it is. So you'll see that I've fixed most of the things already. I think the remaining things are not really that important, but if you still have issues with regards to the database backup, you can actually invest in the backup buddy, which is basically a paid plugin from iThemes itself. Otherwise, you can look for other plugins that can be used to back up your database if you do not want to spend the money on the plugin itself. Okay, so that basically sums up how you set up the iThemes security plugin. If you go to advanced, there are other features here as well. So you can back up your database before changing the admin user and scroll down the content directory. So before you do any of these things, be sure to back up your database first. And if you go to backups, okay, there's nothing here, just click on back. So that's how simple it is to secure a website. Okay, if you still have any questions about this plugin, you can go to the wordpress.org/plugin/better-wp-security/ and go to the support forum and send a thread there to get their help. So with that, I've come to the end of this video. I wish you all the best in your online business. Thank you for listening and goodbye. See ya.